Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, welcome to the vlog. And today, here, December 2021, it's when the renovation starts. Finally, I'm gonna put this garage like I always dreamed. We're gonna do drywall all around the ceiling, new lighting, new colors, new tables, new furniture. So it's gonna be super cool. And it's time to move this baby out. Battery ruined. I want to do a swap on this thing, make it as fast as my Lamborghini. So yeah, let's see if it starts. Well, and the new battery's in. Let's just try this up. Yeah, baby. Here it is, round one. Took the table out of there because I want to put like a nice furniture there. You know, to put all my tools and all that really organized and really nice. This table was just there, you know, taking a lot of stuff on top. So that's why I want to get rid of that, and we're gonna, of course, cover all this with drywall, that, the ceiling, everything, and it'll be super cool. I'm running power too. I'm gonna do all the electrics. I'm an electrician, so I'm gonna put some power here, some power in that wall. Those. Of course, I haven't run all the cables and all that, but it's 9 p.m. already. I don't want to disturb the neighbors with, you know, drilling and all that. I will get up early tomorrow to run cables to all this before they put the isolation and all that, so we can, you know, do that and make it real nice. I did the whole design of this. I'm gonna paint the walls. I'm gonna do all that. I'm gonna do a nice sign, a Lamborghini sign. I'm gonna do all the lighting, low voltage LED lighting on the ceiling. That's what I do for a living. So I'm gonna do. I already bought some like preset lighting for the ceiling, so it's gonna be super cool. And here it is. The drywall is on the walls. All we need to do is paint it. I still have some electrical work to do here and there, but man, it's looking so different. This is awesome. I'm super excited about this, and it's gonna be a great turnout. You guys need to see the plans I have for this space. This is gonna be super sick, and I'm loving it. I'm ready to have this ready, have it ready for y'all, have it ready for the cars, and man, this is gonna be super cool. And finally, the sheetrock is ready. The drywall is dry. So we're gonna paint it before we install before the guy that installed the garage doors. We have brand new garage doors that are gonna be installed here. So those are coming tomorrow. So we are painting today, and the idea here is to paint the ceiling black, that wall black, and all this like a light, kind of like a white bone color. Boom, all around, black LED lights. And we're gonna put, I have a carpentry shop in my warehouse, so I'm gonna do some furnitures. We're gonna put a TV there. So, and I did a rendering. Let me show y'all. The goal. I bought those lights online, and I kind of like did the design here first, kind of like do a different kind of you know, design instead of what everybody does. That is basically the same, but you know, change it a little bit just to be happier. And I'm gonna put on this side, I'm gonna do like a full cabinet. Gonna do all myself, all cabinets and stuff like that, to put a you know, all the tools and all that. And on the other side, the idea is to kind of like do like a small lounge area, you know, to kind of like have friends and stuff. A couple of furnitures there, TV in the wall, and the Lamborghini logo, and you know, all the cars I had in the past and the cars I own right now. So yeah, that's the idea. Yeah, the ceiling is almost done. I'm finalizing. Yeah, I'm finishing that area right there. Amazing. The wall is finally looking good. Stuff too. That's gonna be covered by a wood furniture that I'm gonna put there, because yeah, it's a mess. The guy that did all the electrical work here before I bought the house kind of like did a mess there. I'm cleaning it up. I know electricity. I'm a certified electrician. That's not what I do for a living, but I know how to do it. So I'm gonna you know, put new breakers. All those cables hanging there are I'm gonna put the breakers for that wall that didn't have any power. I run 3 power outlets there. I run 1 for the TV there. I put 1 here, another one here, so I can just use this wall for something else too. I put that one there and another one back here, so it'll be plenty power on the walls now, and it's all independent. This wall is independent, that is independent, that's independent, and this wall is independent as well. So we'll have like, I don't know, 3-4 separate circuits here in the garage if we ever need it. So that's kind of cool. And the first one is done. Still have more to go over there. Some details on the walls to take care of, but it's getting there, babe. So after we finished yesterday, it's day number, I don't know, 4 or 5. And after we finished painting here, I thought that was like a bone, white, kind of like a bone, you know, color, but it ended up being beige. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but I hate that freaking color. So I'm redoing all the walls in white. Of course, that's ready, or that's done. That wall is there. I'm still working on this one. As y'all can see, I'm doing the second coat on this one. This one is ready. So, and of course, all that is still a lot of work all around, all freaking around. But we gotta make it right, so let's just do it.
And finally, the third part of the honeycomb lighting, it's done. We just need to finish this here. My brother was helping me put them up, and of course I did a different pattern. I don't know if y'all can see it. I kind of like did a different setup as y'all saw it on the SketchUp design. So it's looking super cool. And of course here I'm gonna do some cool recessed lighting and some spotlights to shine on the wall and all the pictures I'm gonna put there on the cars I currently own. The TV is on his way. It's gonna be here tomorrow, so I'm gonna install that next. And yeah, almost there. My brothers were helping me.